Hold on, let me see. Got my food all out.
Like you did last time? Are you taking the video like you did last time?
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Oh, Mommy, are you gonna take a video of you making that strawberry cake?
I can. Alright, what's up, y'all? I know it's been a minute. Just been having a lot going on. Have not vlogged or did any videos in some months, actually. But like I said, just been a lot been going on. Trying to get back at it. So, you know, just bear with me. I still need to get all the stuff for my videos and stuff like that. But like I said, life has just been crazy the past year. And I'll get into all of that really soon. Today we don't have anything planned. We actually went to the pool and the park the other day, and I did not even think to vlog it. But like I said, I'll get into all those videos really soon. Right now we are just cleaning up, straightening up. What's what?
What's my shirt?
Where? Oh, strawberries. Look at this. Strawberries is on my shirt. From when Yuri dropped the strawberry. The kids are standing around. There you go. Everybody waves to the camera.
Hi.
Hey, hey, say hey, Anna. There you go. There you go, Christian.
Hi.
So yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot more videos, like I said. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do videos until I get my stuff for my channel. That way I'm not losing any views or anything like that. What do you do? It's strawberry, baby. It's strawberry. Yeah, it's strawberry. So yeah, just so I don't lose any views, because my channel has slowed down a whole lot, which, I mean, I only have like 13 subscribers or anything like that, so I'm just starting out. But I haven't been consistent because every time I start, everything just happens like at a whirlwind. So I have to kind of start back up and kind of get back into the video making. And so yeah, there'll be a lot, like I said, a lot of more videos happening. We're gonna actually do a video today. We're gonna make a cake with the kids, and they're gonna decorate it and all that good stuff, so you guys will get to see that as well. Hey, what are you guys doing?
I'm trying to rock Yuri, but Hannah's...
No, I don't want him to rock. He's trying to drink his bottle. Leave him alone.
Hannah.
And then oh yeah, you guys didn't see the baby.
Don't
The baby is right there. He's drinking his bottle. Hey, you too. I'm not gonna say it again. Enough. Don't rock him. Don't rock him. Don't rock him. Yeah. So yeah, I will see you guys later in the later vlog. I guess when you guys see the cake video, it'll be later on in the day. What do you guys want to say?
Just give us 10,000 likes, guys.
She said give us 10,000 likes. I would greatly appreciate 10,000 likes. Alright, you guys, so I will see you guys later when we are baking the cake.
Bye.
He's trying to say bye. Oh, that was my thumb. My thumb was in the camera. You can say bye. Say bye. Okay.
Give me 10,000 likes, guys.
Okay. Alright, you guys, so yeah, any other updates I will be letting you guys know. And just do not forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and put on your notification bell so that you guys can get updated when we are uploading new videos. Alright, and leave a comment down below and just let me know what kind of videos you guys want us to do
right now,
so that we can better serve you guys. Alright, you guys, I love you guys. See you guys in the next vlog. Peace. Alright, so what's up, you guys? We are getting ready to bake our cake. This is the cake we're gonna make by Duncan Hines. It's a strawberry supreme cake, and I don't know how many layers we're gonna do yet. We're gonna see how much cake we end up having. If we can make 3 layers, then we will.
I'm gonna make some cake.
So I'm gonna actually let the kids start opening up the boxes, and we're gonna pour them into this bowl. Don't touch. We're gonna pour it into this bowl. We have our eggs, and then we're using pure Wesson canola oil. And then this is the frosting that we got. We got this frosting. Okay, in case anybody's wondering what we use. This is the this is the cake mix right here, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pour it in here. Okay. So, what you're gonna do is you're gonna actually use scissors, so we don't. Cause soon as you go like this, it's gonna everywhere. Okay. So, and then we're just gonna follow the directions that's on the back of the box. I'm not adding anything extra. It's just whatever's the box telling me to do. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Put the box in here. And we're just waiting on the kiddos. And then this is what we're gonna put the cake in once we are done. Our little cake container right here. Okay.
Grandma gave us that.
Let's go.
We can't find those scissors.
Oh, look in the matter of fact, let me use this. One person at a time is gonna pour it. Oh man. Okay.
Okay,
Wait a minute. They're gonna do this part. You and Ty is gonna do a different part. Okay.
Okay.
Don't make no mess though. No messes. Okay, go put that in the trash. Okay. Cushion, you come on right here. And keep your feet out the chair, Ty. Right.
Okay, do it.
No, you're gonna do something else. Hold on.
Okay.
I'll let you crack the eggs with Ty. Okay.
Okay.
Make sure you don't make no mess. There you go, because we got to get all the cake in there. There we go. And I just use this little razor, y'all, to open up the boxes. I mean, the bags.
Yeah.
All right, toss that stuff in the trash.
Okay, right.
No, baby, it's on this side. This side. Look at mommy's hand. See? It's this side. The camera's on this side. I'm sorry, y'all had to show her what side it was on. Get up. If you want to be on the camera, go over this way.
Yeah.
Alright, so the next step is... Oh, I actually need one of the boxes. Okay. Ty will get a cup of water. Well, actually, we need the measuring cup. So get the measuring cup. Ty is the only one that can get it because it's up high.
Wait, we have a measuring cup?
I probably should have prepared.
Yeah, I remember. I don't get it.
Hold on, you guys. We're gonna measure the stuff out and stuff, and then I'm gonna come back.
That one.
No. Alright, you guys. So we're back. We're gonna go ahead and pour the water in here. Stop. Pouring the water in the cake. We used 2 boxes, so I'm assuming we had to use 2 cups of water.
Can I stir?
At least I'm hoping.
Wait, can I stir?
Let me see something. Yeah, I think that should be good enough. I'm hoping.
Christian, Hannah, stop standing on the chair. And I'll on the chair first.
Okay, so we're gonna need the measuring cup. And now we're gonna go ahead and measure our oil. Don't touch it. 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Okay. 1/3. I just gotta dry these pans.
That smells good.
Dry these pans.
We're making the cake.
And we're cooking them in these pans. We're cooking them in these pans. these little 1-inch, I think they're 1 inch. These little metal pans. Alright,
Gaia, you don't need to wash them. Yeah, but I can't. The water couldn't get the dirt off it.
no, just rinse them and bring them over here. So we're just gonna dry them. Take your hand and rub that all around. Are you gonna do one? Give me one for Christian. Did you dry both of them? No, they gotta be completely dry. Oh, get on the sides too. There you go. Okay. Yep. Come over here so I can get y'all on the camera doing it.
But let me get on camera.
Oh man, that's too much. There you go.
No?
Ty, pour some of that grease out in the trash.
Hannah, I'm on this.
Okay, so right now they're just greasing the pans. Okay. Alright, this is the pans. This is the cake batter. Alright, you guys, so we have our cakes. This is what they look like. Okay, and so we're gonna go ahead and put them into the oven. We got the oven on, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's on 350. So
Can I put some in?
no, it's too hot. It's 350.
Can I put some in?
What did I just say?
Oh,
This is hot. So we're gonna put them on 350. I'm gonna take it. Put that in the sink.
this too.
And put them in there. I don't know. Oh, this one's gonna fit. There we go. And those are the cakes. We're going to close the oven. And trying to see how long it said put it on for. Let's see. So 24 to 29 minutes. Yes. 24 to 29 minutes.
25 minutes.
Okay, cool. Alright. Alright, you guys, we'll see you guys in a minute.
Or
Alright, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. So as you can see, the cakes are out of the oven. We had to let them cool off for a minute. I didn't really see the point of vlogging the fact that the cakes was in the oven. I mean, in the refrigerator. Where's the sprinkles at, you guys? Give them to Hannah when you get them. And so right now we're frosting the cake. Christian is frosting the cake. And again, we chose Betty Crocker whipped frosting, strawberry mist. And he's frosting it. And this is gonna be our top layer.
And then it's gonna be my turn.
Yep, it's gonna be this little one's phone. I said phone. Next, and then Tink. She's trying to get the sprinkles because they're gonna go ahead and decorate it however they want to. Only the top, Christian.
Guys, make sure you guys give this video 10,000 likes, you guys.
Okay, and what are you doing?
Because we worked really hard on this cake.
She said we worked really hard.
Hannah, you don't need sticks to make it the best.
Hannah, what are you doing?
For y'all to see.
She got the sprinkles, y'all. She trying to. I thought these were so cute, you guys. These different color sprinkles.
And with the marbles on there.
I think they're so cute.
And the marbles. Okay, Christian.
And I got them from Walmart. Great value, but still. Do not sleep on great value. But it's cute. Alright, you guys, so we're going to come back when the cake is all decorated and fixed up and pretty. so you guys can see the end result. Alrighty, we'll see you guys in a minute. This is the final result of the cake, as you guys can see.
No! Oh, wow! Wait,
That is cake. And I think my babies did a wonderful job. The cake. Alright, you guys, leave a comment below. Tell me what you guys think.
Can I
This is
say?
their first time
Can I say?
baking a cake.
Give us 10,000 likes, guys.